What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If it's your first time in my channel, thanks for clicking on my channel and this video. It means the world to me. If you do like men's fragrance reviews, men's fragrance unboxings, and men's fragrance giveaways, well, you tune into the right channel. All you have to do at the end of this video, if you do like this video, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you get notified when my fragrance videos upload every day or every other day. And please leave a comment below, let me know you subscribe to the channel so I can give you a nice thank you text. So today we're going to be talking about a fragrance that you can wear to the club, dance a little bit around, or you can wear it out. You can be the player, the guy that gets all the girls. This has a lot of different names for it. Some people like it a lot. Some people say it doesn't smell that great, but it gets mad compliments. Mad girls like this fragrance. So we're going to jump right into Versace Eros. I'm going to tell you if it's good, maybe, or it sucks. So stay tuned. Versace Eros. Versace Eros. Let's just break down the notes real quick. You have apple, green apple, mint, vanilla, tonka bean, amber. This fragrance here, I'm just gonna jump off the bat. This is a beast mode fragrance. Beast mode. Marshawn Lynch, beast mode. That's what this fragrance is from the get-go. So you want to talk about projection wise, I get about 4 hours. It might be more than that, but the average is about 4 hours of projection. It's beast mode. Let's talk about longevity wise. Longevity, I get about 8 hours plus in my skin. It might go through the whole day, 12 hours. All depends on your skin chemistry. So when I tell you about the longevity I get in projection, it's based off my skin. Now you should go to your local stores and try it out for yourself. It's at Nordstrom, Macy's, Sephora, any one of the fragrance boutiques out there. You can pick this fragrance. So it's been out. It's a 2013 release. You can get it probably for under 50 bucks now. It's been out for a while. You can get on discounter sites too, eBay, Amazon. The list goes on and on. This fragrance is amazing. I like the presentation of the bottle, Versace Eros. The top, nice. The bottom is a 50 ml bottle. Get that up close for you guys. Oh, this way, sorry about that. Just great fragrance. I like the back with design. Looks like it's like a little maze and maze in the front, like around the sides. Distribution. Sprays a lot. This fragrance is amazing. Who I see wearing this fragrance here, I see it could be teenager within high school. Maybe it's freshman year all the way to a senior year. Maybe when he graduates, if you want to wear it from his freshman year of college to a senior year in college. It's a great fragrance. It's a young teenage vibe. If you're a mature man and you want to wear this, if you're over 21, hey, give it a shot. You might even like this. There are other fragrances out there that might be better than this if you are a mature, more man over 25, like Invictus Aqua 2018, Paco Rabanne 1 Million Lucky, Imperial Mari Stronger With You. There's a lot of other fragrances that are in this category like this. This fragrance is for more of a teenage kind of vibe, but adult can wear it too. I've worn it a few times, but I'm getting older now, so I don't wear it as much. Can you wear this fragrance to the club? That's a lot of people want to know. Yes, it's a real club banger, but be careful because a lot of people in the club might already have this fragrance. It's a club banger. It's been on a lot of people's fragrance lists for club banger fragrances. So it's on a lot of people's list for that. Let's talk about occasion-wise. I see wearing this in the hot weather like spring and summer. Gives off that nice vibe. It's nice. I see nighttime going to a club or going out to a date or going to a party. It's a great fragrance overall. Do I like this fragrance a lot? Yes, I give this fragrance a 2 out of 3. Could they do some more with it? They probably could. Is it enough for a purchase? Yes. If you're a teenager and you want a teenager fragrance and you don't want the Dior Sauvage, the Bleu de Chanel's, you want to be seen and noticed like with a beast mode projection and beast mode longevity, you need this in your life. Versace Eros. You can pick stuff probably about under 50 bucks anywhere, retailers, anywhere. I just want to give you the note. You can get it really cheap. You can go online, check it out. It's been out for a while now. If you have Paco Rabanne 1 Million Lucky, if you have Invictus or Invictus Aqua 2018, if you have Giorgio Armani Aqua Gio Absolute, if you have them type of fragrances, you don't need this in your collection. If you're starting new with fragrances and you're like a teenager between 15, 16, 17, 18, you should give this one a try. It's a great fragrance overall. You're going to get compliments. That's what everybody wants to know, compliments. Yes, you can compliments galore with this fragrance here. Can't go wrong with this. You just want compliments, get this fragrance here. If you want projection-wise and longevity, get this fragrance here. Does it smell the best? Well, everybody knows is going to be different on that. Everybody's nose. Hope you guys understand that. I get on my nose when I initial spray it. I get the apple, the green apple, and I get the mint. Throughout the whole fragrance, I pretty much get the green apple and the mint. So that's my nose. Everybody's nose could be different. You might get some of the amber too. So keep that in mind. I hope you guys enjoy this fragrance review. If you do like men's fragrance reviews and unboxings and giveaways, if you're a man or a lady, please consider subscribing. Click that subscribe button. Please click the bell icon. Once you do that, you will get notified when my fragrance reviews come out. I put your priority first as a subscriber. I want you guys to know that. If there's any fragrance you guys want me to review down the road, please leave a comment below letting me know, and I will try to get around to it. I appreciate you guys for all you guys do and supporting my channel every day, and I try my best to put out videos as much as I can. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.